We're on the record in two cases. First case is cause number 328566, and the second case is cause number 328638, excuse me, 636. Let me repeat that second number. It's cause number 328636. Both cases are styled the state of Texas versus Corey Hillman. Mr. Hillman was scheduled to be in court this morning for the court special review docket. Mr. Bailiff, would you please call the name of Corey Hillman?
Corey Hillman.
Okay, the time is 11:07 a.m. Mr. Corey Hillman was scheduled to be in court at 9 a.m. this morning for the court special review docket. Mr. Hillman's name was just called again by the court's bailiff at 11:07 a.m. There was no answer. A reasonable time has passed to give Mr. Hillman an opportunity to appear in court. Mr. Hillman's bond shall be forfeited. State, do you have any objections?
No objection, Your Honor.
Okay, Mr. Cobb is representing Mr. Hillman. Mr. Cobb, you have a response?
Well, the only thing I could say is I know that somebody filed an AFRS and that copy was sent to me. I don't know if the court has a copy of it or not.
Yes, we have it.
Apparently somebody got off of his bond, so
That's correct.
I've got no control over that. I'm hoping that perhaps Mr. Hillman could surrender himself and we can get his matters resolved. And
Okay.
I really need to look at that video if I could somehow get a copy of it.
Okay. So, Mr. Hillman, like I said, Mr. Hillman's bonds will be forfeited in cause number 328566, cause number 328636, and a warrant shall be issued for his arrest in each case. So at this time, this will conclude the calling of Mr. Hillman's cases, and Mr. Cobb, you are excused.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, have a blessed day.
Okay. Thank you. There we go.
Okay, Mr. Bailiff, who is our the next gentleman that you have? No, Peppo,
This is Justin Manuel, Judge.
Manuel. Okay,
So I can turn it off so it won't be dead when you get it. 2216. 2217.
Mr. Manuel. Is this Justin Manuel?
That's correct, Your Honor.
Okay, Justin Manuel wasn't in the group that I gave the
No, sir, he was not, but we didn't have room, Judge.
okay. Okay, but I can't do that. Okay, well. Okay, hold on a minute. Let me do this here. Okay, we're gonna,
In fact, I can bring Lamar Fitton in also. Those are the last two that didn't come in.
okay, well, that's what we need to do. Okay, why don't you go ahead and get those